What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a border around your thumbnail to help your YouTube thumbnail stick out more and get people to click on your thumbnail more. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to do that with Canva Pro. This is the Pro version, so you can do this in Canva Pro version. And hopefully this will help you get more clicks on your thumbnail. On this channel, you'll find some helpful tutorials and YouTube related videos to help you get started here on the platform. If that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel below. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Let's get into the Canva Pro and let me show you how to do this. So let's jump into the video. The first thing we're going to be doing, I'm going to be opening up Canva. And once you get into Canva, we are going to click on Create. And we are creating a thumbnail, so it's going to be 1280 by 720. That's the resolution. Now, once you get in here in Canva, you're going to need to put a solid background if you choose to do that. It's up to you. You can use any background you want, but I'm going to demonstrate this one with a solid background. So I'm going to click on here and let me see. There's some here that I was using before. Let's use this one here because this one seems to be pretty good and it'll probably stand out pretty well. So once we're in here, we're going to stretch this to completely cover up the canvas. And then once you do this, now you need an image to actually put here. I already have one here uploaded. And I'm going to use this one for this demonstration. So we're going to stretch this up like that. And this is something definitely good to help you get more people to click on your thumbnails on your channel. Anything that can help you get more views is worth trying. So once you do this, we are going to go here and we are going to scroll down until we see glow, and you're going to click on glow and you're going to click on glow again. Now, once you get in here, you can change the background color of this border that we're going to actually apply around here, around the image. We're going to do this. And then we are going to go here. And we're going to click on here. And we're actually going to change this to white, because white's going to stand out a little better. The blur here, we're going to turn this blur. We're going to put the blur at least right into the middle here. Transparency, we're going to go all the way up here. And let's just go down a little more with the blur. Now, once you do this, we're going to keep the blur right here. Maybe at least 2%, right? So now you can see the outline is actually already around this, around your image. So what you do is you go up here where it says size, and then you can increase or decrease the size of that border around your image. And you can see it right there. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, or you can even change the color. Let's do yellow. You can see yellow. You got a darker color. You got gray. You got blue. Any color that you want, you can actually add to that. So we're going to keep it with white. And what this does is it actually helps your channel. It helps people want to click on your video. It's just a great way to actually help your thumbnails pop. And there's a lot of people on YouTube actually using this. And once you do that, you're done with this image, right? So you can do this, and then you can just click the download. And once you do that, you can just download it and then just upload it to your channel. So this is Canva Pro. They do have a free version of Canva, but I'm using the Pro version and I can do this with the Pro version. So if you found any value in this video, I hope this technique helps you and helps your YouTube channel and your thumbnails, help get people more to click more on your thumbnails. It's an easy trick to apply to your thumbnail. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.